Alright, 2016 Nissan Pathfinder, sway bar links, pretty simple setup. Now it's got this little Allen here, but there's actually nuts on the back side here. It's 19 millimeter on the back side. Put your 19 millimeter wrench, 18 millimeter socket. The left side and the front side, left front and right front are different sway bar links. Passenger, driver. Why is she get? Okay, yeah. Driver, passenger. That's the part numbers. I'll put these in the. I'll put the links in the description below. And get our impact ready here. Where is it? There it is. We're gonna hit this bugger. And hold this at the same time. All right. Come right on off. We'll do the same thing for the other side. If I can get the impact in there, we'll try. I might have to use just a regular ratchet or wrench or something on this thing. Let's see what we can do here. Come on, baby, get in there. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that working for a living. Let's get that thing in there and go. We're going to be doing the same thing. We're going to go ahead and slide this nut in there ahead of time, get her back into position. Like so, something like that. Get our new link in place. We'll get this guy started. Maybe we'll get it started. Alright. It doesn't give me a lot of work on it here. Get it started. Get that button switch. It might let me get it most of the way tightened up without holding it. Might even let me tighten it up. So it's wanting to turn. We get the 19 wrench on, like so. Come on, you. Quit spinning. There you go, nice and tight. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Get this one in place. Get the nut on it. And then get it most of the way tightened. There we go. And then we'll get this wrench on there. Somehow. Let me get my big head in there. Like so. There you go. And it's the exact same thing for the other side, no difference. Alright, again, I'll put the parts in the description below. Just click the link. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me the thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.